Hello, welcome to the Metro MLS webinar reviewing MLS number search in FlexMLS. In this webinar, I'll review what an MLS number search is and show you how to use it. So let's begin. So an MLS number search is when you need to search on a specific MLS number to bring up that particular listing. So to access MLS number search, click on Menu, and then when it opens up, underneath Search, click on MLS number. So that brings you here to this screen. Search for multiple MLS numbers. So here you've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 spots. So you can enter up to 20 different list numbers to search on if you'd like. Okay, so I'm just going to pop some in here just arbitrarily. 122, 1234, 147, 1892, 147, 2120. 156, 1234, 155, 2122, and 133, 87, 41. Okay, so once you enter in your list numbers here you can choose which MLS to search for those list numbers in. Metro, which is your home MLS, is selected by default, but maybe you need to search on a listing from another MLS, such as Northeast or South Central. Those list numbers at this moment in time, their current list numbers are higher than ours, so it'll be like a 17952. You know, it'll start way higher than ours. Okay, so once you come here, you enter in your list numbers, you select the Metro, the MLS that you like to search for those list numbers in, then you hit Next. And there's those 6 listings. All right. Now let's say you only have one list number that you need to search in. You might think that's a lot of clicking around for me to have to, just go into search one list number, menu, that, To quickly search just one particular list number, a single list number, you can use this quick launch bar. Enter an address, city, zip, MLS number, or contact. Just click your mouse in there and just start typing your list number, 156, 1234. When you enter in that list number, it's going to bring up possibly 2 list numbers. So once you can recognize it, here's one that's on in La Crescent, Minnesota. That one's probably a YRX listing. And then here's one on Church Street in Clinton. So if you know which one is the one that you want to search, you just click on the one that you want. So I just clicked on the Church Street one. Oh, that one was a YRX listing. And that's that list number. You want to search another one, just enter in the list number there, pop it in. You also have this option. Maybe you got a call as you were working on a search or something like that, and you got a call from one of your customers that said, hey, you emailed me a particular listing and I'd like to, talk about it. And you go, okay, what's the list number? So whatever you're working on currently in the screen, you might not want to lose. You can just type that list number in there that they gave you, and then once it pops up, you see right there where it says New Tab, you can single left click that and it'll open up that listing in a new window, and then you can go ahead and have your discussion with your person on the phone while, what you were originally working on is at the tab that was before that. You don't lose that. Okay, once you're done talking to the person, and you can just close this and then go back and finish to what you were working on. This will conclude our tutorial for using MLS number in FlexMLS.